I found this cone at the Dollar Tree, and I grabbed some jute. It's a little bit on the thicker side, and my glue gun, and I started to basically wrap the jute around the cone. This did take a little time, but I just took my time going round and round. The beginning was a little bit, more difficult. It took a little bit more time, but as you got up further up the cone, it got a little easier. Once I got to the top, I went back down. So I went all the way up with the jute and I went all the way back down. And then I wrapped it randomly. In almost a crisscross pattern. Until I covered the entire cone and you could no longer see the orange in the upper part. So I did find a little star ornament, and for some reason my video cut out, and I'm grabbing some of this gold paint and I'm spraying it all over. And I placed this gold star ornament at the top with a glue gun, and you're not going to see me do that. I don't know how that got cut out, but it did. I apologize. I found this train for $1, very inexpensive at the Dollar General. It is a children's toy, and I took some more gold spray paint and I sprayed the track and the little red train. I also just sprayed the whole thing with gold. I'm really loving this gold spray paint. I glued each pieces of the train to the track, just so I didn't have any issues of it falling off. And I placed the train over the cone because there was a little flare of a rim at the bottom of the cone that I kind of had to deal with. And I decided to put this little train track around it. I thought it looked kind of cute. And I felt like the train came out really good in gold, I'm sorry. Then I had a white Christmas tree and a green one, and I decided to just put it on the back portion of the cone on the back rim, just to kind of fill that space. And then I just found a red and gold ribbon that I tied around the top. And that was it. So guys, it's Christmas Eve, and just have a very Merry Christmas. Enjoy your family. And we just appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. And if you enjoyed this video, please go subscribe to our YouTube channel, Chalk It Up Fancy. And we also have chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you very much.